Template Traffic Source Settings. Access the Traffic Sources tab. Then click on the New From Template button. The list of traffic sources within pre-configured settings will appear. Select the required traffic source from the list and press the Next button. You will see the window with the traffic source settings. On the right, in the Parameters section, you will see the list of custom parameters supported by this traffic source. These parameters allow you to track the website IDs, zone IDs, campaign IDs, and other essential data passed from the traffic source. On the left, you will see the name and additional settings of a traffic source. If the postback tracking is supported with this traffic source, the URL will be included in the template. For some traffic sources, it is required to specify the additional parameter, such as your advertiser ID. Copy this value from the side of your traffic source and specify instead of replace on the side of BeMob. When working with the postback, make sure that the checkbox with approved status is marked. Press the Save button to store your traffic source settings. The newly added traffic source will be available in the Traffic Sources section.